Bulavinaka. My name is Philip Baselala. I'm 21 years old. Hail from the village of Kandavu. Uh, yeah, my local club. I played for Nambua, and my international club is Ndrua. No, I wasn't expecting it because I saw there's a big names on the extended squad, and I wasn't expecting to get called up on the 32-member squad, but I'm really grateful that I got the opportunity. First one is injuries. Um, this is a very risky career. Especially injuries can happen at any time during training or in the game. So yeah, probably the most overcoming challenges, yeah, is the getting injured. Well, we just started our camp today, and yeah, hoping to learn a lot from this short camp, and yeah, just learn from the um, senior players. Uh, some of well, there's heaps, but I'm just gonna name a few. Probably just those passes, and just trying to get to those rucks faster, and yeah, just deliver good comms to the forwards and back. Um, can't wait to start off with the day. To be honest, I don't know, but if I get named, um, it's a dream come true for me. But right now, being in the squad, it's uh, it's a blessing, and yeah, can't wait to show what I can do and just live up to the level. Two quality sides. It's gonna be a tough one for, for the team as well. But yeah, just can't wait to meet them. They've been around this game a lot. It's been a decade, I think. But yeah, big names, Nick White and the other halfbacks. But yeah, expecting a big challenge for me. Just thank you all for the support. Uh, thank you for all the praise that for your mom, daddy, and all the siblings, and to all the fans. This is your team. Come on down on the 12th and support your team.